Welcome everyone. I want to show you how to write your first strategy. But before we do that, let's take a quick look on the interface itself. Currently we can see that we are on the Create New Strategy page, but let's quickly go on Browse Examples. And here we have a wide variety of different strategies to show you what you can do with the platform, what you can achieve. You can go into each and every one of them, view the performance, see the historical performance. And if you like it, you can click Use as a template and actually get started very quickly by just picking and choosing the right one for you. So this is the Live Strategies examples page. And if we go to My Strategies, this is where we manage our strategies. This is my portfolio of strategies. Every card represents a different strategy. I can stop and start it. I have stopped strategies. I have strategies that I ran backtest with. And this is where I manage all of those. One last thing I want to point out is on the bottom right corner, we have intercom where you can click and talk to us and we can help you with any question that you have. So let's get started and write our first strategy. Here we have a chart of Bitcoin USDT, a 15-minute chart. It has a Bollinger Band applied to it. And let's, for the sake of the example, let's buy when the 15-minute bar closes below the lower band. And let's close the trade when the bar closes above the middle band. So we have this here and also here. Let's go back to the platform and see how we can apply this strategy. This is fairly easy to achieve. Going back to our wizard, all we have to do is write if BTC USDT crosses below the lower Bollinger Band, set up the different parameters, in this case 15-minute Bollinger Band. So if BTC USDT crosses below the lower Bollinger Band of BTC USDT, buy 1,000 USD worth of BTC USDT. So now we've created our entry conditions. This will get us in a trade. And when hitting next, we can set our exit criteria. This is the exit stage. Now we don't have to. We can click on skip the exit criteria. Maybe I want to manage this by my own manually later on, but it's always good practice to plan your trades, plan your exit in advance. So we will do that. Like we said, we wanted to close our trade if BTC crosses above the middle Bollinger Band. Let's add another condition to it. Let's just say, or maybe at a profit of 5%. So if we're happy with that, we can hit next and run it, but we can also set this strategy to run in loop, which means every time it's going to run, it's going to buy and sell and constantly look for those conditions instead of just run once. So we're going to hit next. And now we need to confirm. We can see that our entry, we can see the different conditions that we've applied to it. We can see the trade ticket's going to be sent. Same for the exit. We can name our strategy. Let's give it a name. Let's name it BTC strategy. And now we can run it live. So we can run it live. We can actually also simulate it and backtest it. But let's run it live. Once we do that, we are now seeing the strategy page. Within the strategy page, I can see the current state. Currently, we see that we're working on the entry. We can, once that entry is triggered, we will see that we're working on the exit and we will have the trade ticket. On the upper status bar, we can see that this strategy is live. It's set to repeat in loop. And we can also set a stop loss. We can say, no matter what, if ultimately we lose, let's say $500, we want this strategy to stop. So this is the strategy page. Here we have the menu where we can stop it, we can edit it, clone it. And this is how we manage our strategy in the strategy page. So this is how easy it is to create automated strategy using Capitalise.ai. Thank you for watching.